By taking this course, you'll be able to recognize various types of CIs, identify how CI maps are used to resolve incidents, describe how to create a new CI type, recognize how to map relationships. There are a variety of types of configuration items, CIs. CIs are simply an extension of a business object. You can view CIs by going to the CI workspace and clicking on Type. There's an access point, cluster, computer, etc. The data for each item differs based on how the data is entered into the table. For example, if you go to a computer, you'll see many tabs for it. However, most computers are imported, not manually added, so your options to edit the fields will be limited. However, another type of CI is access point, which shows you very different data because it doesn't have hardware. Though CIs are structured differently, they are all CIs. You often want to link CIs together to form a map or workflow that shows how the service, systems, servers, computers, etc. relate to each other. You would do this by going to More and choosing CI named rel constraints or CI named rel data. For example, in a switch CI, you can click on the CI map button to view the CIs and their upstream and downstream relationships. The map helps you troubleshoot. You simply click on the CI and see the top incidents or changes for that CI. The facility manager asked Ren to make sure that the new audio systems that they purchased are in ISM. Ren sees that there is not a CI for audio systems, which need to be separate from the default system under CIs. Let's see how Ren takes care of the manager's request. From the Admin UI, click Business Objects. Click the New Object button on the right. Finally, click the extension to Group Business Object. Then click CI and name the new CI type. Click Save and view your new CI type. Open the new CI type and from the Admin UI, click Auto Generate UI to create a form, a list, and a layout. Name it Audio System and click OK. Click on Forms. Delete the fields you don't want and drag those that you want to the areas where you want them to appear. Click Save. To start the process of making the CI appear in the new CI drop-down menu, go to the CI Business Object and click Layouts in Admin Role. On the bottom, click Add New Form View. Select that the form view is for CI.Audio Systems, and the name and main form are both Audio Systems to pull in the auto-generated form. Click Save. There are a few more steps that need to be taken before Audio Systems will show up as a new CI type. There are 3 forms that need to be updated: Preview, Create New Object, and Edit or View Existing Object. You want to make sure the CI is linked to each type of form. Go to the grid view and find our CI.Audio Systems. Select the Audio Systems form that came from our Auto-Generate item. Scroll to Create New Object and find CI#Audio Systems. Select the Audio Systems form from the drop-down menu. Scroll to the Edit or View and find CI.Audio Systems. Select the Audio Systems form from the drop-down menu. Click Save. Refresh your page. Now you can see the audio systems in the list. Click New Audio Systems and complete the record information. Then click Save. You can then view CIs by type and see audio systems as a type. Add the CI Map Tree tab by going to the CI Object Forms and click Add New Form. Under Other, click and drag CI Tree Viewer to the right. Adjust the height and width fields. The display name is Audio Systems CI Tree. Click Save, enter the form name, and click OK. Next, go to the CI object, and then to Layouts. In the CI layout, find and click the Audio Systems form. Click Add Child Panel. Set the name to Audio Systems CI Tree and set the direct relationship to itself. Set the form as the Audio Systems CI Map Tree that was just created and click OK. You could make it closable and initially visible before you click Save. Now, when you refresh and go to the CI object, you'll see the Audio System CI tree. The downstream and upstream information in a map is set by using the CI named rel constraints and CI named rel data. Start the process by going to the Business Objects and selecting CI named rel constraints. Click Fields, and then click Child Group Name. Click the CIBO name pick list and click Add. Name it Audio Systems and click Save. Then click CI named rel constraints and click New. For the child, choose Audio Systems. Then Depends on for the link name and Router for the parent. Return to the CI Room 11 intercom and click on the link for Upstream to add the router. After you select the router, its upstream components, including Facilities Management, are also added. Click Save and go back to the Audio Systems. You can click the CI Map button and see the map, which helps track CI relationships when troubleshooting.